Hello students, this question was asked from manufacturing engineering and the topic is casting. So the question is like that. For optimum solidification time of cylindrical shape top riser, so your riser is of cylindrical shape, the value of volume upon area of cylinder, that means your riser upon the radius of your riser is equal to. So this is your riser. So let us assume that the radius of this cylinder is r and the height of this cylinder is h. So volume of cylindrical riser will remain constant. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So this is my first equation. The surface area of my riser, that is cylindrical shape riser. So we know that the surface area for a cylinder is equal to 2 times area of this circle plus this curvilinear area, this curvature surface. So this 2 multiplied by surface area of this circle is equal to pi r square multiplied by 2, fine, plus this curvilinear area. This curvilinear area is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h. So I have written the value of h from my volume. So the h value here, it is equal to v1 upon pi r square. So I have written, instead of h, I have written v upon pi r square. For optimum value of the solidification time, I have to differentiate this area equation with respect to r. So I have just differentiated this area equation with respect to r here. So 2 pi r square, the differentiation of 2 pi r square is equal to 4 pi r. Again 2 pi r v upon pi r square. So r and r will get cancelled out. So I got 2 pi v upon pi r. The differentiation of this equation is 2v. The differentiation of this equation is 2 multiplied by v upon r square. Fine. So by this equation I have just calculated the value of r. So the value of r will comes v upon 2 pi raised to 1 by 3. So by this equation I get the value of v, and that is equal to 2 pi r cube. So by this equation and by first equation, I just put these values into equation 1. I get the value of h is equal to 2r. Now we know I have to calculate it the volume upon surface area, fine, and upon r. So volume upon your surface area is equal to 2 pi r cube. Just putting this 2r into this equation, I got the value of surface area 6 pi r square. So r cube and r square will get cancelled out. R cube and r square, I got r. Pi will get cancelled out, and 2 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. So this r will come here, and volume upon surface area upon r will comes 1 by 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. That is the solution of this question. Thank you.